Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves, being safe, being blessed by God. Let's go to it. We're having to change out the headliner. So all you're going to see is a lot of scraping. And then at the end, I'll show you the finished product. So sit back, try to get some tracks for y'all to listen to and enjoy. See you later. He's coming. Y'all may think it's this, but I saw it on another one and then I actually experienced it. I used some water well, JB water well, and just went over it. But once you clear this out, this was pouring out good from the back, from here, from the regular tube, but it was dripping in here. And you can see the evidence from here. Like it was getting here, and then it had like gaps in it inside here, and it was just dripping through it. It's coming through. If it rained, Florida lasts like the next week or so, we got 50-60% chance rain, and that's normal in Florida. So I took it and looked. I said, might as well take it down, and I went over to the same side, and it has the same damage back there. If you see, water has gotten in there too. So I did the same thing over here. Didn't really come out over here. And back here has a little bit probably from the antenna that is right there. So I'll have to go and reseal that as for another day. But let me tell you, it wasn't too bad taking it down. Saw some easy ways. You know, right here is a screw where the handles go. And I took the whole piece down just to see if I could take this part out, the plastic part here. And so I took down the whole sunroof. And it wasn't bad. I thought it would be crazy. It's good if you had two hands. But this actually helped a lot, the headrest. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws on the side here. And it's 5 on the other side, exactly the same way. And these 4 big boys, all 10s. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now just be sure you have somebody there to help. My head was helping, but it wasn't a good help. But it helped. So did all of that, got it down. But these things, they leak. You can blow them out here, but it's some spaces in here that if it overflows, if it overflows into these areas, it leaks down. And I had crazy rain. I did the side, thought it was the side, but I took the roof off. I was looking at a lot of guys on YouTube. I go to school on YouTube, and I graduated some courses and still learning others. But yes, you guys are amazing on YouTube. I appreciate all info you guys put up because it is helpful. And there you go, I got that. So it's not hard to take out. You got to be careful so you don't break. You got to lay these seats. You got to lay these seats all the way down, if not take them out, to get the head liner out and take it out the back door. It wasn't too bad. I had to bend it a little bit, but not enough to break it. But yes, this is going to be a part of the restoration for inside. So y'all see it on the next video. This will be one video. I'm calling it on this one. It's starting to get hot. It's supposed to rain again later on here. So I'm not getting caught out here. Like I said, plus I got my little men on the inside and make sure we have a good lunch. I did their breakfast. But yes, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching. And again, any info, anything y'all can tell me, tips of the trade, I appreciate it. I find them on YouTube, but somebody watching, let me know. Appreciate it. Like I said, I'm working on a budget, so anything I can do myself, I'm doing it. I can do a lot if I put my mind to it. There you go. It's this corner. It's this plastic piece. Again, so if you weld it up, a JB weld, and close it all up, it hadn't leaked down all night, and we had some real thunderstorms, some rain going up to 40 miles an hour, 30, 40 miles an hour. So I thank y'all for hanging in there again with me. Y'all have a good day. Peace. Love y'all. Be safe. Everybody, this is quick voiceover
Everybody, how you doing?
for a little bit here.
It's
I
inside.
said I was
Finished
gonna
product. See if I
get you all on the next
get
video,
it all
but got
camera
antsy,
for you.
did the material and everything. Yeah, I'm trying to show y'all bits and pieces of
Spray
what I
painted
did and the mistakes I made.
handles.
So I'm happy
This until I source
for
some
right
out.
now,
Spray
and
painted
I've seen what I
that.
did wrong and
See,
what I could do
and
better.
this heat here.
Needed
So
to
it's
wait
starting
longer, to
droop
be honest
already.
with you. But
But
here's some of the shots here.
okay.
Thank you again for watching.
Visors, painted those handles.
Find someone to tell them that you love them.
Back.
God bless. Peace out.
There.
And thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Share it.
I sprayed it good.
Hey,
Use
what's the worst you
what
can
they
do?
recommended.
Help me buy more parts. Make the car go a little bit more
I
fast.
didn't leave it
They can now.
and let it set. I left it for maybe a couple of hours. But all in all, it came out decent. I don't know if you can see pretty well. And then that's all I'm doing for now. And then I'll go into probably the doors next. See, it's dirty around here. Still need to be cleaned. Never cleaned up on the inside. Gotta get.
Hey, coming in over this spot. Again, thank y'all for watching. That's me yelling at my dog. He's outside. And my son and my daughter out there getting them to get back over there. But thank y'all for watching.
Not too bad.
Love y'all.
For a first time,
Trust me, that's a God thing.
it's working.
And have a good one now. Peace.